Let's get one thing straight. Airlines are not on your side. They are a business. And their business model depends on you not knowing your rights. Every year, passengers leave billions, with a B, on the table. Unclaimed refunds, fees they never waived, upgrades they never asked for. That ends today. 9 things your airline will never, ever put in the safety announcement. Let's go. Secret number 1. You can cancel almost any U.S. flight within 24 hours of booking and get a full refund. No questions asked. It's federal law. The DOT requires it, but airlines bury this information. They hope you'll accept a travel credit or pay a change fee instead. Book a flight. Changed your mind 3 hours later? Cancel it. You get every penny back. This applies to almost all flights booked directly with the airline, at least 7 days before departure. Screenshot this. Save it. Secret number 2. That seat map showing only middle seats available? It's a lie. Airlines routinely block entire rows of aisle and window seats, then label them preferred and charge you $15, $20, even $30 extra dollars to unlock them. Same exact seat. Here's the hack. Check the seat map again at the 24-hour check-in window. Those preferred seats? Most of them open up, completely free. Set a phone reminder. Stop paying for what's already yours. Secret number 3. Airlines oversell flights on purpose, every single day. They count on some passengers not showing up. When too many people show up, they need volunteers. And here's what most people don't know. Volunteering to take a later flight can get you $600, $800, even $1,200 in travel credit. Sometimes a hotel room and meals included. Next time you hear, "We're looking for volunteers at the gate," don't tune it out. That is a lottery you might actually want to win. Secret number 4. When your flight is delayed, the airline says it's air traffic control or weather. A lot of the time, it's not. It's a mechanical issue. And the reason they lie matters, because if a delay is caused by the airline, you may be entitled to compensation, meals, or hotel coverage. If they blame weather, they're off the hook. Start paying attention to why your flight is delayed. If the gate agent mentions maintenance, that is on the airline, and you have rights. Know them before you're stuck at the gate for 6 hours. Secret number 5. Gate agents have more power than you think. They can waive bag fees. They can move you to a better seat. In rare cases, they can bump you to a different cabin class entirely. But only if you ask, and only if you ask the right way. Don't complain. Don't demand. Walk up calm, smile, and say something like, "I know you're busy. Is there any chance you could help me with this?" That tone works. Flight attendants and gate agents talk about this. The polite passenger wins every time. If this is already saving you money, hit subscribe. We drop insider travel secrets every single week. And secrets 7 and 8 are the ones airlines really don't want going viral. Back to it. Secret number 6. Basic economy fares look cheap, until they're not. No seat selection, no overhead carry-on, no changes, no refunds. But here's what airlines don't advertise. If you have the right credit card, many of those restrictions disappear automatically. Delta, United, American. They all have co-branded cards that restore carry-on rights, free checked bags, and seat selection on basic economy tickets. The card pays for itself on the first round trip. Check your wallet before you book. Secret number 7. And this is the one airlines really don't want trending. Under DOT regulations, if your flight is canceled or significantly delayed and it's the airline's fault, you are entitled to a full cash refund. Not a credit, not a voucher. Cash. Airlines have spent years training passengers to accept vouchers instead. But the moment you say, "I'd like a cash refund per DOT regulations," the conversation changes completely. Screenshot those words right now. You will thank us later. Secret number 8. That checked bag fee, it's a suggestion. Airlines have discretion. Military members often get fees waived automatically, but they have to ask. Passengers with certain frequent flyer status, co-branded credit cards, or even higher fare class bookings can qualify for waivers too. If you've been paying $35 each way without thinking about it, call the airline before your next trip. Ask what waivers apply to your reservation. You might be surprised what they say yes to. Secret number 9. The last row of the plane has a bad reputation. Seats don't recline. It's near the bathroom. It's loud. That reputation is exactly why it's great. Last row seats are the last to fill up. Flight attendants stage right there. Service is faster. And on less full flights, you can end up with an entire row to yourself. On a budget carrier where every seat feels painful, check the very back. It's not glamorous, but 3 seats all to yourself? That is a flat bed in economy class. 9 secrets. 9 things your airline is quietly hoping you forget. The 24-hour cancellation law, the fake seat map, the overbooking cash, the delay lies, the gate agent trick, the basic economy workaround, the cash refund you're owed, the bag fee waiver, and the best seat nobody wants. You know what all 9 have in common? The airlines never put them in the safety announcement. They never send you an email. They stay quiet, and they count on you to do the same. Not anymore. This is Travel-Hackster. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll keep finding what they don't want you to see.